Testing instructions. WooCommerce Marketplace submission installation and setup install assistflow AI-call-center.zip and activate the plugin to go to WooCommerce AssistFlow AI. Click Create API Keys. Consumer key plus consumer secret are generated automatically. Click Connect to AssistFlow. The plugin sends your store data to AssistFlow and auto-creates an AI chat widget. Pre-configured with your products, categories, and branding. An AI phone assistant connected to your orders and customers. Status should show connected to AssistFlow AI. Testing AI Chat Widget. Visit your store frontend. The AI Chat Widget appears in the bottom right corner. Type a product question, e.g., what products do you have? AI responds with real product data. Click the microphone icon. Speak your question. AI responds via voice. Back in WooCommerce admin, toggle Show Chat Widget on Store, off/onto Control Visibility. Click Sync Products to refresh product data. Testing AI Phone Assistant in the plugin admin page. Scroll to Live Demo. Try AI Assistant now. Enter a customer phone number from your orders. Click Search. Customer data appears. Select a demo region. Click Get Demo Phone Number. Call the displayed number. The AI assistant will greet you using your real store data and answer order questions. Testing subscription. Billing API. Scroll to Subscription Plans. Click Subscribe on any plan. You will be redirected to WooCommerce.com checkout. After payment, the plugin shows login credentials and an embedded dashboard. Important notes: the plugin uses read-only API access. It cannot modify store data. AI Chat Widget supports voice plus text input in 105 plus languages. No external SIP or phone configuration needed for demo testing. All demo calls are safe and time-limited, 5 minutes.
Hello, welcome to assistflow.ai, AI Chat B customer service. I don't see your number in our system yet. How can I help you?